Ever wondered about the mysteries of a far-off place, where giant stone heads stand tall, keeping a silent vigil over the landscape? Welcome, my friends, to the mystical land of Easter Island. Nestled in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, this place holds secrets that have puzzled scholars and adventurers alike for centuries. This intriguing island, known as Rapa Nui to its earliest inhabitants, is a tiny speck in the vast Pacific Ocean, tucked away more than 2,000 miles off the coast of Chile. It's famous for its massive stone figures known as Moai. These aren't just any stone figures, mind you. These are towering giants, some standing over 30 feet tall and weighing up to 75 tons. That's as heavy as 15 elephants. Now imagine carving such a figure with just stone tools. Quite a feat, isn't it? The people of Rapa Nui didn't stop at just carving these statues. They moved them across the island too. And remember, these are figures as heavy as 15 elephants. How they managed this amazing feat remains one of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries. But the Moai aren't the only fascinating thing about Easter Island. This place is also home to a unique writing system known as Rongo. It's one of the few scripts in the world that no one has been able to decipher yet. Despite its small size, Easter Island has a rich and vibrant history. It was once a bustling community with a sophisticated culture, but over time, environmental changes and external influences led to its decline. Today, Easter Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting visitors from all over the world who come to marvel at its archaeological wonders. So what have we learned from our journey to Easter Island? We've discovered the mighty Moai, the enigmatic Rongo, and the island's intriguing history. We've delved into the mysteries of a far-off land and emerged with a sense of wonder and awe. And remember, just like the people of Rapa Nui who created wonders with their stone tools, each one of us has the power to create something extraordinary. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep making your own mark on the world. Until our next adventure, my friends, keep your curiosity alive and your spirit of exploration high.